the current pandemic scenario, everyone faces a health crisis, and along with that, there is a fear of what will happen to my family financially if I am not there. They are concerned about the future financial security of their family. Everyone is looking for its answer. Well, a perfect answer to this question is the taking a secure term plan. A strong, reliable brand, HDFC Life Insurance, has come out with a new and improved term plan called HDFC Life Click to Protect Life. Today we are going to discuss its main feature, so do watch the video till the end to understand the same. Friends, my name is CA Tapan Doshi, founder of Investors, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button below so you do not miss any of my future videos. Now, let us talk about the HDFC Life term plan. Earlier, HDFC Life had celebrated schemes like HDFC Life Click to Protect Plus, and it also introduced HDFC Life Click to Protect 3D Plus plan. These schemes are closed now, and it has introduced a new improved version of the term plan called HDFC Life Click to Protect Life. It is a non-linked plan. Non-linked insurance plans are traditional plans that are not linked to the stock market. It is a non-participating plan. A non-participating life insurance plan is where the policyholder does not receive any bonuses or add-ons in the form of dividend declared by the insurer from time to time. It is just a pure risk premium plan where you pay a pure risk premium against which you will get a protection. Now, let us take a glance at the main features of the plan. First, a life cover. It is a simple plan with no add-on benefits attached. Here, in any circumstances, if there is a death of an insured person, the family will get immediately sum assured a good death cover which will suffice his family needs in future. Second is life and critical illness cover. Well, this is a brilliant plan with an auto balance between life and critical illness cover as and when age increases. We have seen a term plan, earlier so many term plan where the death happens, the family gets a lump sum amount. The end may be usual or an accidental. However, what will happen if someone gets a critical illness? And you know, the critical illness hospital bill is quite significant. So in that scenario, this plan helps where there is a auto balances between critical illness and a life cover. It increases the critical illness cover so as and when age rises. In short, you will get a better critical illness cover as and when age rises. We will discuss in detail the same afterwards. However, this plan is still not in force. It will come in the coming months. Another option is income plus option. This is the first time in the insurance industry that there is type of plan which provides a monthly income is introduced. Till now, in term plan, typically on death the family gets a sum assured and policy ends there. But now in this plan, the family will get the guaranteed monthly income from the 60th year of the age. Yes, you heard the word guaranteed monthly income. So it is a unique combination of income plus insurance. We'll also see this thing in details going ahead. Another feature is add-on features in the term plan which need to be added. Earlier plan used to club with the additional features which increases your premium. But now these features you can select over and above the plan only if you want. You can enhance your cover with add-on options. Which are the options available? Waiver of premium on critical illness, additional accidental death benefit, and option to avail cover the whole life option. So the client will pay only for the option he wants. For the rest he does not have to pay. And the last feature we'll discuss is the plan flexibility. Friends, you must be seen the premium payment tenure. Once you have decided, you cannot change. But here they are giving an option to change the premium paying term. So anyone who has taken a regular premium paying term can switch to limited premium paying term by just putting a request to a company. In limited term, you can save almost 40 to 50% of the premium, which is quite a good gain. Now let us see the plan in detail. First is life and critical illness rebalances. It is a smart cover which provides a security against a death and critical illness. Death cover decreases and critical illness cover increases proportionately as policy term increases. This one is a good and almost the first time introduced critical illness option. Suppose a person has taken a cover and with the increase in age, his life cover will reduce and proportionally critical illness cover will increase. As you know, the age increases, the risk of getting critical illness also increases. So indirectly, this will help customer against the critical illness risk and also a secured cover of both life and critical illness. Now see the second plan. Second plan is Life Protect, a simple plan option which provides a financial protection to the family of the life assured by offering a coverage to death during the policy term. It is a simple plan where the family will get the entire sum assured on the insured death. So if a person wants only a basic coverage against the risk premium he is paying, he can go for this option. He will understand the same. We will understand the same in the incoming slides with an example. Now let us see Income Plus option, a plan option that provides a regular monthly pension from the age of 60 onwards along with the protection against a death during the policy term. So this is a policy where a person at the age of 45, suppose he has taken this policy, then after the age of 60 he will start getting a regular monthly guaranteed income until the term ends. If he has taken the whole life option, he will get a monthly payment for the entire life. So it provides an excellent opportunity for the client to get regular monthly income during the retirement age. Monthly income is a good amount which is around 0.1% of the total sum assured. Now let us take one by one illustration of each plan. First we will take an illustration of Life Protect. Suppose customer called Mr. Vikram, the 35-year age old gentleman buys a Life Protect option for a policy term of 40 years, regular pay and avail a cover of 1 crore by paying the premium annually. Now Mr. Vikram passes away on the 12th year of the policy. So it's simple, here the policy gets end and his nominee will receive a lump sum of rupees 1 crore. Now let us take an example of life and critical rebalance. Mr. Arun, a 40-year-old gentleman, buy a life and critical illness option for a policy term of 20 years, regular pay and avail a basic sum assured of 1 crore. He pays a premium annually. Suppose he is diagnosed with a critical illness in the 9th year of the policy. So this future premium of the critical illness and the whole policy will be waived off and he will receive 32 lakhs as a lump sum critical illness benefit. His life cover sum assured is now fixed at 68 lakh. Now suppose he passes away on the 12th year of the policy. His nominee will get a lump sum death benefit of around 68 lakhs. That is 1 crore minus 32 lakhs which he already paid as a critical illness. So the formula of life and critical rebalance is 30% into basic sum assured divided by policy term. So this was a life and critical illness illustration. Now another illustration we will take for Income Plus. Now Mr. Nirmal, a 55-year-old gentleman, buys an Income Plus option with a premium payment term of 5 years with a coverage for whole of life and avail a basic sum assured of 1 crore. He starts receiving a regular monthly income of rupees 10,000 from the start of 6th policy year. Monthly income 0.1% of basic sum assured after attaining of 60 years it will start. Until the death or maturity, whichever is earlier, it will go on. It is a unique proposition in the insurance industry. He passes away in the first month of the 20th policy year. His nominee will receive a lump sum death benefit of 82 lakhs. This sum assured of 1 crore, however, will be reduced to 82 lakhs because he has already been paid as 18 lakh as a monthly income. So this is the illustration. Now let us talk about the vital aspects of plan eligibility. Consider this chart as a ready reckoner for your review. Minimum age is 18 years. However, for the whole life it is 45 years for both life protect and income plus. For fixed term in income plus it is 30 years. Maximum age at entry is 65 years. For income plus fixed term it is 50 years, and for whole life it is 50 years 10 years pay, 55 years 5 pay and a single pay. For whole life it is 50 years. Now maximum policy term in life and critical illness rebalance is 30 years. For the life protect fixed term it is 85 years. For income plus fixed term it is 40 years. If anyone selects the whole life option, then it is for the full life till the death. Minimum basic sum assured is 2 lakhs for life and critically rebalance 50,000 for life protect and income plus plan. There is no maximum limit for sum assured as it depends on the board approval. Now there are additional benefit options available. First we are going to discuss is return of premium. Here whatever premium customer is paying during the policy term, the whole amount you will get back at the end of policy term. So if someone feels that he wants all his premium back after the whole term ends, then he can choose this option. Waiver of premium on critical illness. It is an option where one client will pay an extra premium and all his future premium will be waived on a diagnosis of critical illness. Reduction in premium paying term. As I told earlier, here the client is getting an option to reduce premium paying term to a regular to a limited pay anytime without any charge. So here the client can say almost 40 to 50% of the premium from being paid. Then fourth one is alteration to premium paying term frequency. He can change any premium paying facility between annually, half yearly, monthly, anytime without any charge. Accidental death benefit. Here the client has to pay an extra premium. The client will get an additional sum assured of accidental death along with a standard sum assured if the client death is due to accidental death. So client will get a benefit of an additional sum assured. Now let us see which are the plans are eligible for the add-on options. You can see this chart is self-explanatory. Return of premium option. Return of premium option is available in life and critical rebalance and life protect fixed term. Waiver of premium on critical illness option. It is available only in fixed term, that is of life protect. ADB option, which is accidental death benefit option, is also available in the fixed term life protect. Change of premium paying term, that is available both in critical illness and life protect fixed term. Now for the whole term, life protect and income plus whole term, nothing is available. Also income plus fixed term, nothing of these options are available. Now let us look at the additional cover through riders. Income benefit. Now first rider we are talking about income benefit on accidental disability rider. If the customer got a permanent disability due to accident, he would get 1% of the total accidental rider sum per month assured for the next 10 years. Second is critical illness plus rider. A lump sum benefit equal to the rider sum assured shall be payable if the client diagnosed with any of the 19 critical illness and survive for a period of 30 days following the diagnosis. The company has already listed 19 critical illnesses. Third rider is Protect Plus rider. Now there are three options available in this. First is personal accident cover. Second is accidental death cover, and third is cancer cover. Personal accident cover is nothing but here a lump sum amount is paid on accidental death. Second is accidental death cover. Now in an unforeseen event of death of the life assured due to accident during the rider term, 100% of the rider sum assured will be paid to the nominee. Third is cancer cover. Here a lump sum benefit is available on the diagnosis of cancer. Also a waiver of premium for 3 years on diagnosis of early stage cancer. Now last, let us see which are the 36 critical illness covered. So below are the list of 36 critical illness. You can pause the video and look at it. All are well-known critical illness covered. So friends, that is all from my side. I hope you are able to understand all the main features of the term plan. If you still not have subscribed to my channel, click below subscribe button so you do not miss any of my future videos. All my form details and everything is mentioned in the comments. Me CA Tapan Doshi signing off and see you soon in the next video. Thank you.